In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Disney Plus playback error. Let's get started. First, force close the Disney Plus app and relaunch it. Next thing you want to do is check the internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi or cellular data, like with enable airplane mode for about 10 seconds and disable it. This will refresh your network. Next, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Disney Plus. If you see the option update, click on it. Likewise, check for a device software update. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. Likewise, if you're having issues within the app, you can use the web version. For that, launch your preferred browser. Type in Disney Plus, then navigate to its official website. From here, you can access it. If you're using in the browser, you can also clear cache and cookies. Next up, if you're connected to any VPN or proxy, you will need to disable it. Lastly, check the server status of Disney Plus. For that, navigate to the website, Down Detector, search for Disney Plus. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.